In this new serial, the art of the MTR system is featured, one station at a time. Within the Cheung Sha Wan line, there are 16 permanent art installations. Some standout pieces worth stopping to admire include this one in Cheung Sha Wan Station. Teapots, bowls, cups, and some spoons is the perfect name for Mariko Jesse's installation in Cheung Sha Wan Station. In it, she finds beauty in the ordinary. This is done by hyper-realistic paintings of gigantic ceramic tiles transferred onto VE panels. Each panel is the imperfect puzzle piece of the ordinary contents in a kitchen cupboard. The tile colors, patterns, and textures do not match, but from a distance, the shapes do. The illusion of gigantic tiles is made possible by photorealistic paintings of tiles, including frayed edges, the appearance of age, and flaws. Most striking is the illusion of a curved tile surface on each flat VE panel. The hyper-realism of the tiles is in direct contrast to the simple porcelain art depicting the common kitchen objects. The familiar blue fish pattern, the brown and yellow wallpaper, and the pears painted on the side of a bowl are comfortable souvenirs of old Hong Kong. This art is clever, but not pretentious, brilliantly executed, but not obviously so, and succeeds in finding beauty in ordinary objects. On many levels, simply taking a closer look at it provides an education in art appreciation.